forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. It was a hot one here in South Texas, as we saw earlier. Satellite and radar shows mainly clear skies tonight. That's good. And along with that, a quiet night in the coastal bend. Sure be nice to see some rain, though. Wind forecast is in our favor. It's going to be a little breezy again tomorrow. Winds came down today from over the weekend, but breezy tomorrow. And then lighter winds Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Normally when the winds come down, the instability goes up, but in this case, not so much, as we'll just see a stray shower tomorrow and less than isolated, so between stray and isolated on Wednesday. Certainly not a washout indeed. We need this to be somewhere between scattered and numerous to kind of expect rain at your house. This is more you're seeing it off in the distance, and then next to nothing again for Thursday and Friday as our dry spell continues, but this is very normal in an El Nino weather pattern that we have. Right now 84 degrees, it's warm outside. Here in Corpus Christi, we'll drop to about 82 at 11 o'clock, down to 79 in the middle of the night, hold in the upper 70s overnight in spite of lighter winds. And the winds stay at single-digit levels all the way through mid-morning. Lows tonight will drop down to 78 degrees here, 76 for Sinton, 80s hold along the coast as it continues to be breezy. As far as the day planner for tomorrow goes, 78 degrees, fair and muggy, a light southeast wind, mostly cloudy at 7 in the morning, hot, with less wind, lots of sunshine, and 93 at noon tomorrow. We normally consider it to be a hot day if it hits 90 by noon, so we're going to be at 93 tomorrow, and 95 hot and steamy with only a moderate sea breeze at 5 o'clock tomorrow. That'll drive the heat index up to about 107 tomorrow afternoon. 98 will be the actual high temperature here, ranging to 103 at Fremont and Falfurrias, also Hebbronville, 102 for Alice, so big changes there. Cloud and rain forecast. Again, you can see a couple stray showers in the morning and again tomorrow afternoon inland, and that's it. On Wednesday, not much difference. Again, we'll see a couple showers along the coast and then a little bit more activity mid-afternoon on Wednesday with those lighter winds that I talked about earlier. So again, there's just not much happening with high pressure nearby in the upper atmosphere. This front up in North Texas is firing storms there tonight, but that is about as far as that system goes, with high pressure in the Gulf providing that humid flow from the southeast. So here's the water vapor imagery. You can see the dry air in place here, and that's why we're not seeing any rain. There's the upper level high, and again, that just doesn't deliver much for us here in South Texas. So there's the high. It stays pretty much in place across the southwest and into North Texas the next several days. This high reasserts its influence over the Bahamas while this low drops south. And that would protect us from tropical activity, at least through this weekend as we turn the page into the most active time of the year, which of course is August and September. So speaking of the tropics, we do have a couple systems working. There is this area out here off the coast of Africa right there that may develop over time, but it doesn't look like a threat. And this area, this tropical disturbance down here near the Dominican Republic, which the Hurricane Center has a low chance of development over the next 2 and 5 days. If it does develop, it would go into the Bahamas and the east coast of Florida. We've got these southwesterly winds here aloft. That's helping us out. Here is your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 78 tonight, 98 tomorrow, 95 on Wednesday with a couple showers around. Thursday we'll see 96, Friday 96. And the heat marches on here all the way through the weekend and into early next week, Lee, with, again, very little in the way of rainfall. We're getting awfully dry, but that's what happens in an El Nino. But we also get a lot of rain with an El Nino weather pattern beginning in late September.
We can sure use it.
Yes, but we're going to have to wait a while.
Thank you very much, Dale.